Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I'll be telling you three very essential tips for growing chrysanthemum. These three tips are very essential if you want to get hundreds of flowers from plants or if you want to get big size flower. This is the tips. This is the pom pom plant, and if the seedlings are here, you can see this is the size. You have to pinch off time to time because if you want lots of branches from here, if you want hundreds of flower, you have to pinch up from time to time. Every 15 days or 20 days, you see this is the pinch up here. Branch number 1 2 3 4 5 branches have come out from here, and again I will pinch it up again. This is the second stage. You can see this is all pom pom variety, and pom pom variety are best known as for is hundreds of flowers. One in one pot you can get around 500 to 600 flowers here. These are the all branches come out after the pinching of proper pinching of process. So whenever you are buying some pom pom variety, you try to get maximum branches. Here are some another variety. These are all giant variety. You see, in giant variety are grown for the big size flowers, and here you cannot do the pinching because if you do the pinching, then the flower size will be very small. So in giant variety, we try to get around 2 to 3 flowers maximum, or many of the growers get one flower from here. And if there are four buds, you can see we'll remove three buds to get maximum big size flowers, because if you grow one or two flowers, then the flower size will be very big. Here are some pinching work done and the flower size will be small. So in a giant variety, you don't try to pinch your plants, and I will tell you some of the gardening tips where you can get maximum flowers in some pom pom variety or some small variety. Lots of gardening tips. Here you can see I in my garden there are around 500 to 600 pots are here. 500 to 600 chrysanthemum plants are here, and many of the viewer ask me what we do with these plants. To them I tell you that this is our college garden. In our college area, around 2 acres of plants are full of garden. So in the pavement area, roads area or avenue area, in the two sides of the avenue we grow this plant. We put this plants there, and they are look very nice, because in 100 varieties of flowers we grow chrysanthemum. I tell you one thing, that we have purchased 100 variety of small plants, chrysanthemum cutting plants, and we have multiplied it three times. That's why you can see the different generations of these plants here. So these benefits is that if you multiply from these plants, you don't have to spend any money, so free of cost you can get these plants. And if you pinch up, you can get the maximum flowers, maximum branches from any of the plants. That is the second benefit. And the third benefit is that you can get the three generations of plants, and if the flowers are spent off in the first generation, after 15 days the second generation flowers will come up, and after 15 days then again another bunch will come out. So therefore the longevity of these flowers will be long here, and you can see these are the many of the plants are ready to be all the budding. So in the after 15th November we don't do any of these pinching works. Then we'll take the nursery tricks. See, these are the plants here, giant variety. And in giant variety, two things I'll tell you very essential, that plants are very tall, and they cannot support each other. So they are the you have to do what you have to do is, the second tips is very essential. Whenever you are growing these kinds of plants, you have to take some sticks and give stake to the plant, and staking the plant is very essential, because they will grow big size flowers, and the flowers are very heavy. And the second thing is you have to tie a knot here with a string or with a rope, small rope, loose knot, so that the plants, the stakes can be supported with the plants here. Here I have given one knot with one string, and another above side I will again put one knot here in another string here, and very loose knot. Don't try to give a very tight knot, because the fragile, and if these are bent, and once they get the sunlight, enough sunlight, they will be straight. So this is the second tip you must follow for growing, especially for the giant variety of plants, snowball variety of plants. Third tip I'll tell you, remove the lower sides of leaves, because up to at least 6 to 7 inch you have to remove all the leaves, because they are the nearer to the soil and they are prone to fungal infections. So you have to remove all the leaves from the lower side if you want to get the best variety of plants and the best quality of plants from here. So these are the tips you have to follow this chrysanthemum right now, and hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. I'm going to give you a lot about the gardening tips and tricks and all. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you.